Assembling your Aerobin 400 composter and have run into an issue where the one corner of your top three-sided panel, which you are staggering over your bottom three-sided panels, where the one corner is connecting, but you just cannot get this opposite corner to snap on correctly. The best way to fix this is to take it off and insert this side first and then click this one in separate. So what you will need to do is, now that you'll have one side attached but you can't get the other side, you will have to use a flathead screwdriver. This size or bigger would be recommended. And there is a slight lip on the back of this tab here that inserts into a notch. So what you'll have to do is you just have to wedge that up enough. You can use the lip down here for your leverage and it'll just pop off. That way what you can do is then insert the side that you were having the most trouble with first and get that one to click on, and then come back over to the one that was working fine and get that one to click on. So that is both attached. Again, over here, same thing. Go from underneath that tab. Just notch it out enough for it to slide off. And then insert the one you're having trouble with. And then go over to this other one and push it down. Now sometimes you do have to add a little bit of weight to get that tab down all the way to hear it click. Sometimes they make a good click noise, sometimes they just attach. But again, sometimes you do have to put quite a bit of weight on the top of it. But there you go, that's set up. And then you'll just go back in with your narrow panel. The top panels have the hooks on them. You'll slide that down, holding those together until that clips shut. Same on this side. Take your panel with the hooks. Slide it down until it clips. And then you'll have your door. And the door inserts up first. Push it in and pull it down, and that locks it so that no critters can get in. The other. Pull it down. And the lid. Now you'll notice there are some hooks on the lid, so when you're putting stuff in your composter, you can hook it on the side, and then it should just go on. And if you have any questions, call us.